In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to enable email notifications for new notifications on X, Twitter, using your PC. To get started, locate and click on your profile image positioned at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu options to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, find and click on Email Notifications. This option can usually be found under the Activity Related to You and Your Tweets section. Ensure that the box next to You Have New Notifications is checked to receive email alerts for new notifications. After selecting the desired notification preferences, scroll down and click on Save Changes to apply the settings. By following these straightforward steps, you can customize your email notification settings on Twitter to stay updated on new activities related to your account. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on optimizing your social media experience. Thank you for watching.